city's shining from the street lights.
So we are now currently in Jogjakarta. We're gonna have our pre-wedding here. Living in an Airbnb with our photographers and the makeup artist. And I'm whispering because Reynaldi is there watching. This is foreshadowing when we're married. Little backstory why we choose Jogjakarta as our pre-wedding destination is because I really love using like wearing some kebaya or like Indonesian traditional attire, and I was planning to do like this traditional thing called siraman because Ali is a Japanese, but then he said that I don't think you can do that because I'm not really traditional. I'm quite modern, and as a substitute I will take you to and here we are. It's so big!
Mau nyebrang masal apa? Ya sini aja deh, Beb.
Banget, Pak.
Kan mau ke sana. Wanna go there. We have to go like Mr. Grumpy is sending me off to the airport.
No, I'm not grumpy. Kalau di belakang kamera, I'm gonna miss you, baby. Kalau di belakang kamera, miss me, okay? Highlight the two different personalities.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna fly out today with two of my friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuala Lumpur International Airport.
We have arrived. Look at this is our hotel for 3 nights. So small. Right now we're starving and can't wait to eat.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights.
Tapi telur banget deh, lihat. Enak bener.
I'm dripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play, and I'll be inside.
Bisa yang satu yang lebih jauh nggak? Nah. Saya sama buka tukang pukul.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I've found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me.